Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. So while I am feeling a lot better, I did not wake up and feel like death today. I am not feeling up to doing a Whiny Wednesday live. Don't even want wine right now. So I'm going to do a layout and then we'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow to see if we do a Thirsty Thursday live or if this just week isn't going to happen. So got my photos, got some papers already pulled, so let's see what I can do. Hey guys, so I sped this one up really quick so I didn't have to talk a lot, because even though my voice is getting better, my throat is still pretty sore. So I'm trying to figure out where I want to put these two photos and how they're going to look on this layout. So when I have a portrait and a landscape photo on one layout, many times I like to create a shelf for them on the background, and then I will place them in their orientations over top of that shelf. And I find that that gives balance to the photos and to the layout. And for some reason, I just decided that this shelf needed to be layered up a couple times. So I've got that really dark green polka dotted paper, and then the floral paper, and then the lighter paper on top of that. And then, of course, I need some photo mats for, excuse me, for these photos. So I trim them down because I'm using 6x6 papers, and my photos are 6 inches or as close to 6 inches as possible because, you know, sometimes the papers aren't exact and sometimes the photos aren't exact, and it's all just a guessing game. But I get those down there, and then I'm figuring out how to get the papers that are on the bottom also on the top. But I thought, oh, this yellow is pretty cool. It matches the yellows in the flowers, so this would be something pretty awesome to put on there as kind of like a bam in your face, here's a moment of yellow type situation, right? And I hated it. So that bad boy comes off, and I'm just going to reapply some adhesive to the photos and to the papers so that I can get it going and down there. So now I've got that going on, and I'm like, I want to bring in this vellum tag. I don't know why I was so dead set on using that vellum tag, but sure enough, I used it. And then I thought I was going to be a little bit of a smart aleck in my... Sorry guys, had to stop and have a little bit of a coughing fit. 1 or 2 coughs is okay, but when I started hacking like that, it needed to, we needed to pause on the voiceover. But I wanted to be kind of a smart aleck for my title, where the title is going to say, remember the key. Because if you look at the other pages that I've done, there is I don't know what they call it. Something they slap on the wall at Alcatraz that you read, where one of the key was hidden. And they have this key up here in Alcatraz. So, you know, we found it and took pictures of it. So I wanted to make sure that that was on there. I decided, since I was using this black title, I would bring other areas of black to the page as well. So that that top little thing up there that says "Wander and Find," I thought that that was cheeky and hilarious as well for a lost key. And then I've got those leaves over there on the left-hand side, and those are going to be there with some florals. So I'm going through my stickers, and I really wanted to bring a little bit more yellow to the forefront of this layout, right? Like, there's a ton of green, and the whole reason why I wanted to bring that yellow piece of paper in was because I wanted to bring that yellow color out, right? Like, it's in the floral, so you can see it there. So I decided to decorate with numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And there is no rhyme or reason other than I wanted to do yellow on there. And then I'm looking at florals to bring in, and for some reason I started bringing in these orangey pink ones, and I was like, what are you doing, Sandy? Like, you wanted to bring up the yellow, why aren't you getting yellow flowers? So so I got yellow flowers, right? Like, I found some yellow flowers, I cut one of them apart so that I could put yellow flowers on each kind of area of decoration on the page. And then I'm going to adhere my vellum metal rimmed tag overlapping a portion of those flowers. And then I add adhesive by putting it on the back side of where the stickers are, so you can't see it through, even though if there's some, some splooging out of it, it's matte and it's clear, so you won't be able to see it. I throw on that little bow and then one more bit of a label on there, and then that is going to do it for this layout, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your patience with me while I have been sick and recovering. Orders have kind of backed up a little bit the past week or so, so those will start being sent out tomorrow. I will start fulfilling them tomorrow. So thanks for your patience, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.